Now to a live look at Highway 50 at Ski Run, right at the base of Heavenly there. See cars moving along. Now I-80 has also just reopened in the past couple of hours. CHP actually tweeting traffic is moving, as you can see right there. Well, this is over Donald Summit. They're also saying it's moving, but a warning to those drivers out there: take caution. NBC's Mike Tassell reports from Highway 50, which is actually looking more like it's weekend rather than a Monday morning.
Hello from the Low Sierra. We're along Highway 50 at Ice House Road. If you know where that is, it's right between that 3,000 and 4,000 foot elevation level. A snowy scene here, but the thing I want you to notice are the cars going by on that relatively clear pavement. Just a little bit of water, maybe a little bit of slush on there, but take a look at this video. This is what you need to know if you're thinking about sneaking up Highway 50 today. There are a lot of cars up here. This is the line stretching back from Chain Controls at Khyber's. These are all people trying to head up towards the ski resorts, but it's more like a weekend today than it is a Monday. Come back out here where we are, and again, Highway 50, it is open, but keep in mind, there's a lot of pent-up demand after this weekend's storm to get up into the Sierra, and so there are a lot of people who have the same idea, and that's leading to a long line of cars as you get higher up towards Echo Summit. Along Highway 50, I'm Mike Tassell in Anne Arundel County. I'll send it back to you.